After time of looking at the lake and the kids didn't want to go in, the dog couldn't chase the fish that he enjoys doing, I know something needed to be done.
When I was a kid, I was always able to enjoy swimming and playing on the beach. My dad got the idea to remove all of the weeds by the root, extract them all so it was perfectly clean for my brother and sister and I to swim. Eventually I realized that there's no good option for people to have a worry-free, weed-free lakeshore. When I was in college, I put out flyers and offered this to the neighbors, and it grew from there.
So we've seen all types of jobs, from small to big. We can kind of customize a plan kind of based around the client's needs. There's not a job too big or too small.
They're very organized and there was no goofing around. They took care of the weeds, they explained the process. I was quite amazed how good they could do an area so quickly.
You just couldn't get out of our dock without plowing through a pile of weeds. Very polite, professional. They leave with a pile of bags of weeds, and it looks great out there. I would never want to not live on a lake anymore. We have a 19-year-old and a 23-year-old, and they actually want to come home. You don't have to go somewhere to have someplace special. It's like being up north, but you're not.
For me, the most rewarding part of what we do is to kind of hear from clients. They call us and say, I've never been able to enjoy my lakeshore like this before. I've struggled with lake weeds all my life. I never thought this was possible.
We're going to answer your call when you call. We're not just going to spray chemicals and then leave. We're not just going to cut it and then let you deal with it in 2 weeks when it grows back. We're here to provide a worry-free experience so you can really enjoy your lakeshore year-round.